It's the 21st century and the world is full of technology. It is important to learn computer coding at an early age so that children can grow up with the skills necessary to thrive in this world. Our mission is to help students fall in love with AI and coding and become creators of the future, entrepreneurs, engineers, and scientists. We provide high-quality, accessible, and personalized computer science education, aligned with the K-12 computer science framework and delivered in one-to-one and small group formats. So whether a child is a beginner or an advanced coder, we have a class that's perfect for them. Students also have the opportunity to participate in global coding competitions and hackathons like HPE Code Wars and online coding camps. Codingal is trusted by over 1 million registered students in 70+ countries. Carnegie Mellon, Stanford, University of California, Berkeley, Harvard, Oxford, and more. These events provide students with a chance to showcase their skills. That's why we offer flexible class sizes and scheduling options to fit the needs of every learner. Collaborate with other young coders and take their learning to the next level. Codingal combines the best of human instruction and AI-driven learning to inspire the next generation of tech leaders. But with so many different coding programs out there, it can be hard to know which one is right for your child. Parents want their kids to start learning programming early, and that's why they choose Codingal. We offer live, interactive classes with expert instructors who have degrees in computer science. All of our instructors are rigorously vetted and trained to ensure a high-quality learning experience. Codingal is the global leader in online AI coding education for kids and teens in grades 1 through 12 in many countries. There are top technical universities, but there's a significant gap in K-12 programming education. Students learn by building real-world projects using popular tools and technologies like Scratch, Python, Roblox, Minecraft, MidApp Inventor, Thunkable, Pygmy, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, website development, Java, data science, AP computer science content, and AI tools like ChatGPT and machine learning frameworks. Through this hands-on approach, students create apps, games, animations, and websites in a fun, engaging way that fosters problem-solving and creative skills. Every student receives a personalized learning path tailored to their age and skill level. Our curriculum is STEM, org accredited. Our platform makes learning computer coding fun and engaging. With a 4.9 out of 5 student rating and NPS of 86, we believe that anyone can learn computer coding, and we are committed to making sure that everyone has the opportunity to do so. Backed by Y Combinator, Rebright partners and leading tech investors, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.